I have no fucking idea.
He's on top.
Naked.
Do I try it?
You don't have anything that exciting on you.
No. How am I alive? I didn't just do it, did I?
Try an ultra medical. Just capped him.
I'm dead.
You're dead?
Yeah.
What?
To the guy at the bottom. He one-tapped me.
With the nade?
No.
He just one-tapped you.
Yeah. With
No way.
with the fucking the boar's ammo probably in the eyes. Hey Josh.
Want me to watch your body?
He's totally naked and he killed me.
You want me to wait for him to come for your body?
I'm nuts.
You're a fucking crack shot. Vector.
Someone's here.
You're the one alive, bro.
Oh, I'm dead. He was already at your body, bro. He just killed me with your fucking stupid ass vector.
He killed you with my vector?
Yup.
You're already doing it. Managing tasks. Problem solving.
Yeah.
Bad, bro. Imagine dying to that. And he dropped you.
He did. Fucking drop me, bro. Kissman
Powers on?
hit a nutty shot, bro. He didn't peek to the nades, nothing. And then he peeked and then shot me in the brain.